Good morning, everyone. To one and all present over here. The topic for lecture 8 is Manrega. The Manrega is stands for Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. This was the act which was launched by the UPA government in year 2005. Yeah, so firstly, I would be discussing that why it was needed. So after independence, as we know that there has been a huge crisis of employment across the India, and also there has been a lot of poverty that has been kept on increasing gradually. So in order to deal with unemployment and poverty, India has and the government has taken a number of steps. So Manrega is one of these steps which has been taken in this regard. So talking about now Manrega. So what the Manrega is all about? So in Manrega, unskilled labor is given 100 days of guaranteed job within the 5 kilometer of the area, and once if they have applied for the Manrega the employment through Manrega, then he would be getting the job in next 15 days, and if the government fails to give the job in the next 15 days, then he would be given an unemployment compensation. Now, so what was the vision behind launching this Manrega? So it was a very broad vision that the government of India has thought of. It has thought of in decreasing the poverty and increasing the social equality, and also to increase the status of women in our society, and also it has planned to make some constructive work done by the Narega, like building of the dam or making of the roads or the canal or the pond, so that it could also increase and preserve the environment, protects and it could protect the environment. Besides, it was also visioned that there was a massive shifting from rural area to the urban area. So it was also aimed that one needs to stop the people in the rural areas, and so this scheme was brought. So as we know that every coin has its two face, so it has also some pros and the cons. Now we are talking about the cons. So there is a massive loophole in this scheme, as we could see that a lot of fund every year is getting given by the government, but it could not reach the its destination, and there are so many bureaucrats or the big members which adapt or which receives the huge amount of money that is laid for the Manrega. So this has been a problem, and it needs to be tackled. Besides, when I talk about the present scenario during this pandemic, as we have seen that there has been a tremendous shift of population from the urban areas to the rural areas due to the loss of work. So now they have started asking the work through Manrega, and the fund allocated by the central government for the Manrega has been limited, and in that case now the scenario is seen that the employment wage has decreased because number of people have increased. So certainly we could see that there are some of the loopholes, some of the flaws that needs to be tackled in order to make it even more versatile and even make it even more robust. Thank you.